Our people are safe.
All Isengard is emptied.
How many?
10,000 strong at least.
Get the women and children into the cave. I want every man and strong lad, able to bear arms, to be ready for battle by nightfall. Let them come.
This is a good sword. Haleth, son of Hammer.
Most have seen too many winters.
All too few.
This is no rabble of mindless orcs. These are Uruk-hai. Their armor is thick and their shields broad.
You must call for aid.
And who will come?
Open the gate!
Open the gate!
How is this possible? I bring word from Elrond of Rivendell. We are proud to fight alongside men once more.